This is the Range Industries Rivian R1T Camp Kitchen that turns the Rivian R1T storage compartment into a fully functional slide-out kitchen, offering a fully equipped cooking space without taking up valuable cargo room. It comes equipped with a 1,800-watt induction cooktop with 2 burners, a foldable sink, removable cutting boards, and multiple USB ports. Made from strong yet lightweight aluminum, the same material used in aircraft fuel tanks, it is built to last without adding unnecessary weight. It easily slides in and out and is ready to use in under a minute. The induction cooktop provides efficient, powerful heating, while the foldable sink and removable cutting boards make food preparation and cleanup a breeze. Built-in USB ports add a modern touch, perfect for keeping devices charged on the go. It costs $4,000. This one's Kodiak canvas truck, a tent made from HydroShield 100% cotton duck canvas, a strong, breathable, and highly water-resistant material. It has a steel tube frame that holds up well in different weather conditions, unlike fiberglass poles. Made to fit most full-size and mid-size truck beds, it secures with clamp-on rails that do not damage the vehicle. The tunnel-shaped design provides a spacious interior with up to 5 feet of headroom. 5 windows allow for airflow, visibility, and easy access. It can handle rain, wind, and light snow, making it suitable for all seasons. Mounted directly onto the truck bed, the tent keeps campers off the ground, reducing exposure to moisture, puddles, and small animals. The raised sleeping area adds comfort, and the interior allows for running a power cable from the truck cabin. Many users pair it with a truck bed air mattress for extra support. Unlike synthetic materials, the canvas holds up longer and provides better protection against the elements. This truck tent turns the bed of a truck into a covered sleeping space, removing the need for a separate tent on the ground. The combination of strong materials, a secure attachment system, and a spacious interior makes it a good option for those looking to stay dry and comfortable while camping. Want to see the price tag? $500. Next, proper tire pressure management enhances fuel efficiency, extends tire life, improves grip, and reduces blowout risks, while lower pressure off-road increases traction, stability, and suspension performance. So we're looking at the Clearview Tire Spider, a $400 tire pressure management system that inflates, deflates, equalizes, and redistributes air across up to 4 tires at the same time. It features an LED backlit digital display for easy reading in any lighting conditions, a measurement range of 0 to 60 pounds per square inch, and the ability to read tire pressure in pounds per square inch. The system includes a 60 pound per square inch balancing tank, 4 individual valves, 1 for each tire, and a main valve. Each kit comes with 2 16.4-foot hoses and 2 26.2-foot hoses, making it suitable for long wheelbase vehicles. It can be used with an air compressor for faster inflation or work on its own by transferring air between tires. When inflating with an air compressor, users can connect up to 4 tires, equalize pressure, and then inflate them by opening all 5 valves. Without an air compressor, air can be transferred from inflated tires to re-inflate others. The system also allows tire deflation by opening the main valve after pressure is balanced. If different pressure levels are needed, individual valves can be closed once a tire reaches the desired amount. Next, we have the Clearview Pantry, a slide-out storage unit with built-in workspaces fitting in 4-wheel drives, canopies, camper trailers, and you name it. It provides 2.6 cubic feet of space for cooking supplies, utensils, and other essentials. The fold-out design allows for easy storage and quick access, what makes meal preparation quite easy and extremely organized when traveling. It is made from powder-coated aluminum with stainless steel fasteners and zinc alloy hinges weighing 48.5 pounds. The lockable lid and front access door, both with key-to-like locks, keep items secure while allowing easy access. The pantry includes a brushed finish marine grade 316 stainless steel sliding work surface and 3 pull-out worktops, providing extra space for food preparation. It moves on 17.7-inch slide rails with a lock-in lockout function for stability. It comes fully assembled and fits the Clearview Easy Slide, ES100 Plus, and Clearview Expander Slide, with an additional bracket required for the latter. A 2.4-gallon collapsible silicone sink is included for washing up. The removable parts make it easy to clean and maintain. The stainless steel worktops create a sturdy area for cooking, and the sliding platform helps keep everything within reach. Regular maintenance is recommended, including keeping slide runners, trays, and bearings free from dirt and avoiding waxy lubricants or WD-40, which can collect dust. It costs $760. Multi-Flex Midgate gives certain Chevrolet trucks, like the Silverado EV, more cargo space without taking away passenger seating. It has a 60/40 split folding rear wall, allowing different setups depending on what needs to be carried. When fully lowered, the standard 5 feet 11 inches truck bed extends to more than 9 feet. If the tailgate is lowered, the total length reaches nearly 11 feet, making it possible to transport longer items like surfboards, kayaks, or lumber. If extra height is needed, the rear glass can be removed to create additional vertical space. Using the Multi-Flex Midgate is simple. The truck must be in park with the doors unlocked or a key fob nearby. The second row seatbelt buckles should be secured in their designated slots to keep them from getting in the way. The rear seat cushions and seat backs need to be folded forward, and if necessary, the front seats can be adjusted to allow enough space. Since the Midgate is heavy, it should be handled with care. To lower it, press the release button at the bottom. Pressing once opens the larger 60% section, and pressing again releases the smaller 40% section. This system makes it easier to carry oversized cargo, while still keeping passenger seating available. It provides a practical way to transport long or tall items without needing extra modifications. One common issue with pickups is the gap that forms when opening the tailgate, which can trap gravel. Removing it can be time-consuming and frustrating, and if the tailgate doesn't close properly, it could even lead to missed delivery deadlines. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. A seal priced at $46 can help prevent this problem. The Ecoological GapShield is designed to solve a simple but frustrating problem, keeping loose materials from falling through the gap between a truck bed and tailgate. Whether hauling mulch, gravel, or dirt, it helps prevent small bits from slipping out and making a mess on the road or driveway. Made from a tough, weather-resistant elastomer, the GapShield holds up to regular use without cracking or wearing down. It is 6 1/2 inches wide and comes in 2 lengths, 60 inches for standard pickup trucks and 40 inches for utility task vehicles. To make installation easier, it includes 2 strips of high-strength 3-dimensional double-sided adhesive tape, along with an adhesion promoter wipe to improve sticking power, especially on rough or coated surfaces. Installing it is easy. First, the area where it will be placed needs to be cleaned so the adhesive can stick properly. If it is a little too wide for the truck bed, it can be trimmed down to size. Once it is ready, the backing is peeled off the adhesive and the GapShield is pressed into place over the gap. Its flexible material allows the tailgate to open and close without getting in the way, and when it is not needed, it can be tucked into the gap to keep things looking neat. Besides keeping materials from spilling, the GapShield also helps protect the truck. It stops debris from landing on the bumper step pad and prevents damage to the underside of the tailgate. Paired with a tonneau cover or bed cap, it can even reduce how much dust gets into the truck bed. Next up is a slide-in truck camper designed for mid-size and full-size trucks with 6 to 6.5 foot beds. Made from a single piece of composite fiberglass, it keeps water out and holds up in different weather conditions. Inside, it has a height of 64.5 inches and a width of 72 inches, fitting most full-size trucks with a 6.5 foot box and mid-size trucks with a 6 foot box. The base model weighs 750 pounds, while fully equipped versions can reach up to 900 pounds. There are 3 layout options: sea to sky, coast to coast, and ultra light. The sea to sky layout includes a jackknife sofa bed that folds into a twin-size bed, a small kitchen area with a stainless steel sink, a 7-gallon water system, and a Redarc 2000 watt 200 amp hour electrical system that works with solar, shore, and direct current to direct current charging. A Dometic 45-liter chest fridge and freezer is optional. The total weight starts at about 900 pounds. The coast-to-coast layout swaps the sofa bed for a dinette that converts into a full-size bed. It has plenty of storage, including space for a portable toilet and a more complete kitchen with a built-in 12-volt fridge and freezer. It shares the same Redarc electrical setup as the Sea to Sky model, with a starting weight of around 900 pounds. The ultralight layout keeps things simple. It comes with interior lights, a MaxxAir fan, and double-pane awning windows. R22 insulation helps with temperature control year-round. This version weighs around 750 pounds. All models come with an overcab sleeping area that can be expanded, interior dome lights, screened tinted windows, a MaxxAir 7500K ceiling fan, and a 150-watt solar panel with an expansion port. Extra options include an external diesel heater, an overcab bed extension, an induction stovetop, a portable toilet, and an aluminum roof rack. But it also has a higher price of around $50,000. For pickup truck owners who often transport heavy loads, the next upgrade simplifies handling bags, boxes, and other cargo. The decked team provides the CargoGlide platform to make loading and unloading easier. This half-width sliding tray is built from powder-coated American steel and 3/4-inch marine-grade plywood with a thermoplastic top layer, making it strong enough to handle tough conditions. It can support up to 600 pounds, making it ideal for hauling heavy tools, equipment, or materials. With a 75% extension, it pulls out far enough so there is no need to climb into the truck bed just to grab something. It measures 6 feet (0.07 inches) long, 2 feet (0.02 inches) wide, and 4.7 inches tall. It comes pre-assembled and takes about 30 to 45 minutes to install using basic tools. If mounting it on a decked drawer system, a universal bracket kit is required. The one-handed operation and smooth roller bearings make sliding the tray in and out effortless. An auto-stop handle keeps it from rolling out too far by accident. Securing cargo is easy with 4 adjustable D-ring tie-downs along the edges, keeping everything in place even on rough roads. The tray can be mounted on either side of the truck bed or centered, depending on the setup. If more storage is needed, multiple units can be installed side by side. The decked CargoGlide 600 is designed for anyone who wants a more convenient way to manage cargo without unnecessary strain. Whether hauling gear for work or weekend trips, it keeps everything organized and within reach. The prices start at $900. For motorcycle enthusiasts who prefer using pickup trucks for transportation, this device is mounted on the cargo bed. Its high capacity allows for carrying not only sports bikes, but also heavier cruisers, even when loaded with luggage. It has a lift capacity of 2,500 pounds and comes in 2 sizes. The 6.5 foot version, which measures 58 inches wide and 77.5 inches long at 406 pounds. And the 8-foot version, which is the same width but 94 inches long and weighs 413 pounds. Both sides have a 30-degree rear approach angle, extendable deck feet, and a powder-coated steel frame for added protection. It fits Class 1, 2, and 3 pickup trucks and works with 6½ foot and 8-foot truck beds. With a simple push-button pendant control, a single person can operate the electric-powered hydraulic lift arm to move cargo from ground level into the truck bed. The system works with interchangeable decks depending on what needs to be hauled. The power deck is designed for transporting motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, and landscaping equipment, while the dump deck is made for bulk materials like mulch, soil, and stone. The dump deck has sloped sides to make unloading easier. No matter which deck is used, the lift capacity remains the same. Installation is easy and does not require drilling or permanent changes to the truck. The system comes with hydraulic hoses already installed from the pump to the cylinder. However, the truck's battery and alternator need to meet power requirements for everything to run smoothly. Regular maintenance includes checking hydraulic fluid levels and lubricating grease fittings to keep things running properly. It is priced at around $77,000. Swiss company Black Sheep offers innovative storage solutions that feel like something out of Pimp My Ride. For example, their storage systems make use of the hidden space behind the taillights of certain pickup trucks. This often overlooked area can store essentials like food and water, as well as sports gear, fishing rods, and even firearms. Made from steel and aluminum with a black powder-coated finish, they blend seamlessly with the vehicle's exterior when closed. To access the drawers, the tailgate must be open, allowing a concealed button to release the taillight housing. Depending on the model, the taillight either folds down or stays attached as the drawer slides out. The lighting system remains fully functional in both configurations. These compartments lock securely and can only be opened when the tailgate is down, preventing unauthorized access and accidental openings during transit. Currently designed for the Volkswagen Amarok and Toyota Hilux, the system is expected to be adapted for additional vehicles in the future. The left side drawer is slightly shorter due to the placement of the fuel filler neck, but still provides enough space for tools and other equipment. Installation involves modifications to the vehicle's body, including precise cuts and adjustments. The conversion kit includes all necessary components, such as wiring, cables, and linear pullouts. These hidden storage compartments provide a practical way to keep equipment secure while maintaining the original appearance of the truck. Designed for off-road travel and everyday use, they offer additional space without affecting the vehicle's exterior. The system for the Toyota Hilux comes at $3,700. Here are some upgrades for off-road enthusiasts who enjoy their pickup trucks. In this case, the owner installed a practical rack to carry 2 spare tires, along with a custom storage box. Their builds often include wheel carriers to keep spare tires secure, while helping with weight distribution and stability. In their The Contender build, they extended the tray by 1 foot and positioned the canopy further back to fit 2 35-inch tires. This adjustment helped balance the vehicle by keeping the weight over the axle. At first, they considered a swing-out tire carrier, but decided to go with their standard headboard bolting system instead, as it worked better with a rooftop tent. Shannon's engineering focuses on custom solutions that fit each customer's needs. Their ute trays can be modified to include wheel carriers, giving drivers a secure place to store spare tires without taking up too much space. These trays are designed to work with different setups, making it easier to adapt to specific requirements. Their alloy canopies also come with options for internal or external wheel carriers, depending on what works best for the vehicle. Did you know that Ford used to sell the F-150 at a rate of 2 trucks per minute? That's just one model from one company, which shows how many pickups are out there. Over time, a lot of owners think about upgrades and one that makes a big difference is turning a regular pickup into a dump truck. For about $1,700, you can get a hydraulic dump bed conversion kit that lets the truck bed tilt up to 45 degrees in just 10 seconds. It can handle up to 4,000 pounds and runs off the truck's battery with an electro-hydraulic pump. No extra power source needed. Once installed, the truck looks the same as before, just with a whole new level of function. The kit comes with a hydraulic cylinder, a sturdy steel subframe for extra support, and a simple control switch. Some models even include a remote control, so you do not have to be right next to the truck to operate it. The steel frame is strong enough to handle heavy loads without bending, so it is made to last. This setup works with trucks that have a separate bed and frame, but it will not fit unibody models or ones with an integrated bed. Installation takes a few hours and requires some basic mechanical skills, but once it is in place, it needs very little maintenance thanks to its sealed hydraulic system. For anyone who regularly hauls gravel, soil, or other loose materials, this upgrade can save a lot of time and effort. Instead of manually unloading heavy loads, you can just hit a switch and let the truck do the work. It is a simple, effective way to get more out of a pickup without buying a full dump truck. Here we have the ARE LS3 truck bed. It is a hard one-piece cover designed to protect the truck bed while matching the vehicle's color. Made from ABS composite with a two-piece double-paneled structure, it weighs 154 pounds, but is strong enough to support up to 2 adults standing on it. The X-Effect structural reinforcement adds strength, and an EPDM double-bulb weather seal prevents water and debris from entering the bed. Its cover is painted to the manufacturer's specifications for a seamless match. Hydraulic struts lift the cover, revealing a carpeted headliner inside. A LED light at the rear brightens the truck bed and can be detached for other uses, and a cargo retrieval tool is built into the lid, making it easy to reach items at the back of the bed. Though solid, the LS3 can be removed without tools in seconds. It comes with a wall-hanging storage system that allows for safe and organized storage when not in use. For full bed access, 2 people can quickly lift off the cover and reinstall it when needed. It provides security for stored items while complementing the truck's factory look. And yes, the price. It costs $2,400. The ABS 1K and ABS 2K bale spike systems utilize advanced hydraulics to lift up to 2,500 pounds, allowing efficient hay bale handling and transportation. Both models are equipped with a remote control featuring a 20-foot range, enabling operation from the truck cab. The bale spear can be detached when not in use. The ABS 1K mounts to a gooseneck hitch, while the ABS 2K bolts directly to the truck bed. Pierce bale spikes are constructed from high-quality steel for durability and efficiency. These tools facilitate hay bale movement and are available in multiple configurations to suit different equipment setups. The 3-point hay bale spike is designed for tractors, using a 3-point hitch system for secure and stable bale handling. The gooseneck bale spike attaches to a truck's gooseneck hitch, making hay bale transport possible with a pickup truck. These bale spikes are part of Pierce's ranch equipment lineup, which includes hay bale unrollers and cattle sirens, all designed to improve agricultural productivity. The cost, up to $2,500. The Bravo cage from 454 Motorsports is a removable tire cage designed to hold 2 spare tires in the bed of full-size trucks. It measures just over 44 inches in width and fits tires between 35 and 37 inches in diameter. It is compatible with most full-size truck models and can be installed facing either the cab or the tailgate. A quick release mechanism allows removal without tools after the mounting brackets have been installed. The tie-downs hold the tires securely, lifting the cage slightly to prevent movement, noise, or vibrations. The Bravo 2 cage has a similar design but includes a vertical jack mount positioned towards the front, creating additional space between the tires. This space can be used to store recovery gear, toolboxes, or 2 5-gallon gas cans. The width remains at approximately 44 inches. Both models have pre-drilled plates that fit Pro Eagle jacks, making it possible to mount a jack skid or mount without modification. All required Grade 8 hardware is included, and buyers can choose between a powder-coated or raw finish. Installation services are available in Phoenix, or the cages can be shipped. It is recommended to select the raw finish to prevent damage during transport. All raw cages include powder-coated bed mounting plates unless otherwise specified. Undercover storage boxes fit around the wheel wells and tailgate area to make use of available space. North America. Moving to the Knapheide, which manufactures a wide range of commercial truck bodies and equipment, including service bodies, platform bodies, gooseneck bodies, dump bodies, and various van equipment. These products are made from heavy-duty steel or aluminum and feature lockable compartments, customizable layouts, weather-resistant seals, and LED lighting for improved visibility. Options include different materials, configurations, cargo mounts, reinforced locks, and accessories such as inverters and loading ramps. Standard modules use galvanized steel approximately 0.08 inches thick, or aluminum alloys 5052 and 6061-T6. Founded in 1848 by Hermann Heinrich Knapheide in Quincy, Illinois, the company started as a wagon manufacturer, serving pioneers and farmers. Over generations, it transitioned to modern transportation solutions, expanding its product line to meet evolving industry needs. Knapheide remains family-owned for 6 generations, overcoming economic downturns and natural disasters while continuously advancing its manufacturing capabilities. Recent innovations include aluminum vehicle prototypes and collaborations with partners like REE to develop body solutions for next-generation chassis cabs. The company operates a cutting-edge manufacturing facility in Quincy, ensuring stringent quality standards and durability. Knapheide's service trucks, widely used in industries such as construction, utilities, agriculture, and fleet management, are designed for secure storage, organization, and accessibility. Mechanics trucks come equipped with cranes, air compressors, and welding equipment, while KUV models provide enclosed, weatherproof workspaces. Fuel and lube trucks support on-site fueling and maintenance with fluid storage and dispensing systems, and welding bodies feature integrated workstations. LifeMark systems take the guesswork out of road marking by using advanced GPS, laser technology, and machine vision cameras. These systems map out existing road markings before repaving and then apply them again with pinpoint accuracy. The dual carriage option makes it possible to work from either side of the truck and adjust for different lane widths, which is especially useful for more complicated paving jobs. The LifeMark 100 goes a step further by using artificial intelligence and machine learning to handle much of the process automatically. It can lay out markings while traveling up to 15 miles per hour, cutting down on time and keeping workers safely inside the vehicle. Automating this process means road crews no longer have to rely on manual labor for every step, making layouts faster and more consistent. The system ensures that markings go exactly where they should, reducing mistakes and the need for corrections. Since it operates largely on its own, even workers with less experience can use it with minimal effort. Traditional marking methods require workers to be out on busy roads, increasing the risk of accidents. With automation, crews can stay inside the truck, keeping them out of harm's way and reducing exposure to traffic. When a pickup truck transports various items such as toolboxes, backpacks, or flower pots, there's a chance they may shift or bounce during the ride. This can be inconvenient and might even lead to damage, like broken pots. To prevent this issue, using the Tmat system can be a helpful solution. Tmat is a simple and practical cargo management system designed to keep gear, tools, and other items secure in pickup trucks, vans, sport utility vehicles, campers, and trailers. It is made up of interlocking 12-inch by 12-inch panels and 12-inch by 2-inch strips that snap together, allowing users to customize the layout to fit their cargo space. To keep things from sliding around, the system includes different types of blockers. Quick-fit blockers can be easily inserted and removed for fast adjustments. Tight-fit blockers hold smaller or more delicate items in place, and adjustable blockers let users create compartments of different sizes. The mat also has a smooth surface that allows it to slide onto the tailgate, making loading and unloading easier. Setting up is quick, taking less than 5 minutes with no need for drilling or modifying the vehicle. It fits between the wheel wells in most truck beds and works with drawer systems, bed slides, and rollers. It is not just for trucks either. It can be installed in trailers, vans, utility task vehicle beds, and even tack rooms, making it useful for all kinds of cargo needs. Tmat was created by Tmat Products, an Oklahoma-based company built on over a century of engineering experience from the Tamura family. Their goal was to design a system that makes organizing and securing cargo simple and effective. The interlocking panels and blockers give users full control over how they arrange their gear, preventing things from shifting while on the road. The price is set at $27. Do you think this is reasonable, or does it seem a bit high? Here's Nicholas Trahan, the owner of Trahan Fire Rescue, introducing a brand new vehicle. The company specializes in firefighting, including complex operations in forests and airports, so they needed a vehicle to match these demands. It has a polytuff body and a 500-gallon tank, both designed to be strong while keeping weight down. With dual pumps, it pushes out up to 440 gallons per minute at 106 pounds per square inch, giving firefighters the water flow they need to knock down flames quickly. A super single conversion improves how it handles off-road, making it easier to maneuver in rough terrain. It is built to fit on Class 5 truck chassis, like the Ford F550 and Dodge Ram, offering a smaller and more agile option compared to bigger Type 3 fire trucks. It meets National Wildfire Coordinating Group Type 3 standards, so it is up to the task for both wildland and municipal fire departments. The polytuff material keeps maintenance needs low, and the super single conversion helps it get into remote areas where bigger trucks might struggle. This truck is designed to give firefighters what they need without unnecessary bulk. The dual pumps keep water flowing strong, and the compact build means it can get into places that traditional fire trucks cannot. Its ability to handle uneven terrain makes it a solid choice for wildfire response. This lifting and towing unit is advancing rapidly. Its sturdy boom is strong enough to easily support a motorcycle. Its modular body can be adjusted between 88 and 94 inches wide, so there is no need for fender flares. Both the driver and passenger sides have spacious tool compartments, giving operators plenty of storage for their equipment. The auto-load wheel lift system makes it easy to hook up vehicles quickly, even in tight parallel parking spots. A pivoting, self-centering crossbar rotates 180 degrees to ensure a secure grip. Wheel lift ratchets and straps help stabilize the vehicle being towed. In-cab controls allow the operator to manage the wheel lift and winch without stepping outside, making the process smoother. The truck's lighting meets Federal Standard 108 requirements, so visibility will not be an issue in any conditions. There are several ways to customize the intruder. The body comes in steel, aluminum, composite, or polybody, depending on what fits the job best. An optional power tilt function moves the wheel lift through a 30-degree arc, which helps when loading vehicles on slopes or uneven ground. Light pylons are available in steel or aluminum tubular designs. Other add-ons include a 24-inch tunnel toolbox, a trailer hitch, a motorcycle attachment, emergency lighting, dollies with mounting options, and aesthetic upgrades. For the chassis, the truck needs a cab-to-axle distance of at least 60 inches, which can go up to 84 inches if a tunnel toolbox is included. A gross vehicle weight rating of 14,500 pounds gives it the strength needed for towing jobs. Pickup truck can be challenging while the load might be within the weight limit, but it can be too long to safely carry, even with the tailgate open. The solution? Get the Axis Truck Bed. Made from heavy-duty steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coat finish, it connects to a standard 2-inch hitch receiver and can be used in two ways. In the horizontal position, it extends the truck bed, making it possible to haul items like lumber, ladders, and kayaks. When set vertically, it functions as a rear load bar, providing extra support for taller cargo. It adjusts to different load sizes, with 8 height settings ranging from 55.5 inches to 62.5 inches and 10 width settings, between 28 inches and 48 inches. Side arms keep everything secure, while an anti-wobble bracket and knobs reduce movement and noise during transit. It can carry up to 375 pounds and weighs approximately 33 pounds. The extender comes with all necessary components for setup, including left and right side arms, a receiver hitch mast, a T-crossbar, a center mast, a hitch pin, an anti-wobble bracket, a hardware kit, and an instruction manual. It is designed to work with trucks that have a 2-inch hitch receiver. For those transporting kayaks, canoes, or other bulky gear, the Axis Angler package includes a 42-inch rubber-coated load roller. This add-on makes it easier to slide heavy items on and off the truck. The Axis Truck Bed Extender comes with a lifetime warranty. At $150, it's a pretty solid choice. This lift truck provides a dependable way to load and unload heavy materials at job sites. It attaches directly to a standard tow hitch without requiring modifications, allowing for quick setup. With a lifting capacity of 750 pounds, it supports standard pallets and is effective in construction, warehouse, and agricultural environments. Made from heavy-duty steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, it withstands demanding conditions. Weighing between 100 and 120 pounds, the unit includes a secure locking system, a non-slip platform, and reinforced stability bars for added safety. It operates using either a manual or powered hydraulic lifting mechanism and can lift materials up to 47 inches. Its compact structure allows for easy storage, while its design maintains stability even on uneven ground. The V1000 reduces the effort needed to unload materials and lowers the risk of injuries. When a pickup truck arrives loaded with supplies and no equipment is available to assist, this lift provides a reliable solution. It eliminates the need for heavy manual lifting, allowing workers to handle materials with less strain. The strong frame and lifting system allow for controlled movement, preventing instability while loading and unloading. This lift truck is simple to install and does not require additional tools or permanent modifications to the vehicle. It is an effective option for those who need a dependable lifting system without investing in large, complex machinery. By streamlining the process of handling heavy materials, it helps improve workflow and reduces downtime. The team of experts at SherpTech is dedicated to enhancing both pickup trucks and the lives of their owners. They've come up with some nifty upgrades, and one of them is this truck bed. It's the lightest choice available on the market, weighing just 299.8 pounds, thanks to the use of advanced aerospace materials and technology. Their modular setup makes it easy to add features like slide-out grills and lockable storage boxes. Fold-down sides help with side loading and can double as tables. Multiple tie-down points keep gear secure, and built-in lighting makes it easier to see equipment at night. The flatbeds are designed to work with a range of camper brands, making storage and setup more practical. The company focuses on making trucks more useful for both work and travel. Its designs give truck owners flexible ways to carry gear, attach campers, or get more out of their vehicles. The modular system means setups can be adjusted to fit different needs, whether for off-road trips, long hauls, or job sites. With more storage and well-thought-out features, SherpTech's flatbeds and accessories make hauling equipment more efficient. The materials help keep trucks from getting too heavy while still holding up to tough conditions. Plenty of tie-down points keep loads stable, and extra add-ons allow for even more customization. For those who travel with truck campers, SherpTech offers setups that fit different camper brands while keeping storage accessible and organized. Gear stays secure, and everything is designed for easy access. Whether it's for long road trips, carrying heavy tools, or exploring remote areas, these systems help truck owners get more out of their vehicles. Japanese ingenuity has always been about making life smoother and fun. Whether in homes, public spaces, or vehicles, their ability to simplify without losing purpose stands out. And here we are, in the same line with the Isuzu D-Max 4x4 Auto Premium's sliding cargo tray that makes loading and unloading so very easy. It moves smoothly along its track, allowing it to be pulled out and pushed back with minimal effort. This feature helps when handling heavy or bulky loads by reducing the need to reach deep into the truck bed. It is especially useful for transporting tools, equipment, or everyday items that need to be accessed quickly. The tray can hold up to 1,100 pounds, though Isuzu recommends keeping loads under 440 pounds for better stability and long-term use. It locks securely in place when not in motion, preventing items from shifting while driving. The sliding mechanism provides steady movement without sticking or jamming, making it simple to operate. This feature improves the truck's usability by making the bed more accessible and efficient for various hauling needs. Instead of climbing into the truck bed to reach stored items, users can extend the tray and grab what they need. It speeds up loading and unloading while reducing physical strain. If you're looking to add extra storage to your pickup without spending too much, this container is a great option. Priced at $66, it includes a combination lock and can be mounted on either side of your truck. It measures 1 foot 6 inches deep, 7 inches wide, and 10 inches high. Made from high-quality PP plus ABS materials, it holds up well against wear and impact. A 3-digit combination lock on the cover knob adds an extra layer of security. Installing it is a simple process. The existing bed cubby cover needs to be removed by unscrewing 4 bolts, and then the new storage bin can be placed in position and secured using the original bolts. The bin has 6 bolt holes, while the factory cover only uses 4, so grabbing 2 extra bolts might be necessary for a more secure fit. People who have used this storage bin have had good things to say. Some like the built-in divider and locking feature, saying it helps keep things in place and adds a bit of protection. Others mention how quick and easy it is to install. While the lock helps prevent casual tampering, the plastic build is not meant to withstand heavy force. The bin is great for keeping smaller items like ratchet straps, jumper cables, or emergency kits neatly stored, but it is not large enough for bigger tools or equipment. Smittybilt refrigerators are designed for people who need reliable cooling, whether for everyday use or off-road adventures. The Basecamp model holds 75 liters, while the Waypoint model has a 55-liter capacity. Made from stainless steel with reinforced corners, they can handle rough conditions without a problem. The dual zone temperature control lets users set separate areas for refrigeration and freezing, and a fast cooling compressor keeps everything at the right temperature. They run on 12-volt or 24-volt direct current and 110-volt alternating current, so they can be powered by a vehicle or a standard outlet. They are also solar compatible and have a 6-hour battery backup, making them useful for off-grid trips. With Bluetooth connectivity, users can control settings through a smartphone app. A digital display makes it easy to check and adjust temperatures. Built-in LED lighting helps in low light situations, and a USB charging port keeps small devices powered. Moving these refrigerators is simple, thanks to a retractable handle and wheels that let them roll like a suitcase. For those installing them in a vehicle or camper, the heavy-duty slide mount system allows easy access without hassle. Designed to perform in tough conditions, these refrigerators keep food and drinks cold without any unnecessary effort. Whether on a road trip, at a campsite, or in a remote location, they provide a reliable cooling solution. Their ability to connect to solar panels and function independently for several hours means users do not have to worry about power. Moving to the $130 camera, aka the Solar Rechargeable Wireless Backup Camera, which has a 5-inch monitor and supports dual-channel split-screen display, allowing 2 cameras to be placed on the front, rear, or sides of a vehicle. It delivers a stable digital signal with a 52-foot range, using frequency hopping technology to prevent interference. The 1080p high-definition camera provides clear images in daylight and darkness with advanced night vision, and its 140-degree wide-angle lens reduces blind spots. The system includes 6 adjustable parking guidelines and a flexible image flip function with 4 orientation options for different mounting positions. Powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, the camera operates for 3 to 4 months on a single charge. Solar charging extends battery life. Installation takes 2 minutes without wiring or drilling. The unit is IP69K waterproof and functions in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The backup camera is compatible with cars, recreational vehicles, and trailers. It can also be used as a trailer hitch camera. The dual camera system helps monitor blind spots, while the wireless signal ensures clear, uninterrupted images. 6 adjustable parking lines assist with maneuvering, and the image flip feature allows for proper orientation regardless of placement. Its combination of battery power and solar charging reduces the need for frequent recharging, whilst its strong wireless connection prevents signal drops, keeping images clear at all times. The system enhances rear-view monitoring by providing wide coverage of surroundings. It maintains image clarity in any weather condition, whether in rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. Next one. The Max S2 Auger Cleaner is a patented tool that makes cleaning hollow and solid stem augers much easier for those working in environmental drilling. It works with a range of auger sizes, including those with an inner diameter of up to 4 1/4 inches, and is compatible with different manufacturers' equipment. By efficiently clearing out soil and debris, it helps prevent blockages and keeps drilling operations running smoothly. It has been tested on heavy-duty hollow stem augers, including 8 1/4 inch models, proving its ability to handle tough jobs. One of its biggest benefits is how much time and effort it saves on job sites. Instead of dealing with clogs and manual cleaning, drillers can rely on this tool to get the job done faster and with fewer risks. It is designed to work with existing drilling setups without requiring complicated modifications, making it easy to incorporate into daily operations. Built to handle demanding conditions, it holds up well even with frequent use. Max's Enterprises has a history of creating practical solutions for drilling professionals. In addition to this auger cleaner, the company holds patents for other tools, including an auger hoist and retractor and a monitoring well extraction tool. Stratton Hunziker, the Director of Operations, plays a key role in driving the company's innovations. The effectiveness of the Max 2 auger cleaner has been put to the test in real drilling environments, with videos available to show how well it works. Up here is Trucktail is a pickup truck accessory designed by an experienced American engineer with 30 years in the field. Known for his passion for building and testing DIY flying machines, he applied his knowledge of aerodynamics to develop this fuel-saving attachment. The Trucktail functions as a streamlined container that reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency. By reducing wind resistance, it increases fuel efficiency by about 1.5 to 2 miles per gallon, leading to noticeable savings over time. It also functions as a built-in storage compartment, great for hauling groceries, keeping drinks cold, or storing other items on the go. The final version will have a black interior, unlike the gray prototypes used for testing. This is not just a concept. It has been tested over thousands of miles, and the results prove it works. The tooling is already complete, and some early prototypes have been put to use. Now, the focus is on getting the tooling shipped to Kentucky and setting up production so more truck owners can benefit from it. Installation is simple, and it fits seamlessly with the truck without requiring modifications. It is made from strong materials designed to handle everyday use. By improving aerodynamics, it helps lower fuel consumption and reduces emissions. The main challenge now is timing. If shipping takes longer than expected, production could be delayed until March, but at this point, everything is moving forward as planned. The price for the Trucktail is set at $60. The decked toolbox makes it easier to reach tools stored in the decked toolbox of a pickup truck. Made from aluminum, it extends up to 5 feet to fit different truck bed heights. When not in use, it slides neatly under the toolbox lid, staying out of the way. It folds out and away from the truck, helping to avoid scratches or damage. The ladder attaches only to the passenger side, so users can access their tools safely, even when parked on the roadside. The toolbox itself holds about 73.4 gallons of gear. It measures 76 inches long, 22 inches wide, and 20.53 inches tall, with 5.78 inches extending above the bed rail. Without the ladder, it weighs 101 pounds. With the ladder, it comes in at 113.5 pounds. Made from high-impact, injection-molded ASA and nearly 100% recycled HDPE, the toolbox is reinforced with anti-corrosion steel hardware to resist dents, punctures, and rust. A strong locking system helps keep tools secure by reducing pry points between the tub and lid. A built-in gasket seal keeps out rain, dust, and dirt, so everything inside stays dry and protected. This toolbox and ladder setup is designed for easy access, security, and durability in all weather conditions. The version designed for the F-150 pickup truck is sold for $1,100. In the world of pickup trucks, there are Solis and Cor. This team is doing an impressive job changing the way we see pickup trucks. Worksport's Solis and Cor systems provide a practical energy solution for pickup trucks and other applications. The Solis solar cover is more than just a truck bed cover. It includes monocrystalline solar panels that generate up to 650 watts of power, depending on the truck bed size and weather conditions. It is designed to handle tough environments, standing up to hail, strong winds, and road vibrations at speeds exceeding 80 miles per hour. It is compatible with a wide range of trucks, including models from Chevrolet, GMC, Jeep, Ram, Ford, Nissan, and Toyota, going back to model years from 1999. For electric pickup trucks, it can add up to 10 miles of extra driving range per day by harnessing solar energy. The COR energy system is a flexible power storage unit with a base capacity of 1,500 watt-hours per battery, expandable up to 6,000 watt-hours by linking additional units. It provides up to 2,000 watts of power, enough to run electronics, appliances, or serve as a backup power source. One of its key features is hot swap technology, allowing users to replace batteries without cutting power. It charges easily through a standard wall outlet or solar panels, making it useful in places where grid electricity is unavailable. When paired together, Solis and Kior form a mobile power grid, supplying electricity wherever it is needed. This setup is well suited for people working or traveling in remote areas, emergency response teams, and military personnel who require a consistent power source in the field. By generating and storing power independently, these systems offer a practical alternative to traditional electricity, providing reliable energy when and where it is needed. Fisk Tank Carrier specializes in installing and maintaining propane tanks, as well as customizing vehicles for these demanding jobs. It comes with knuckle boom crane, giving it an extended reach while keeping a compact design. This setup makes it easier to place tanks accurately, even in tight spaces. The truck's 14-foot all-aluminum bed features high-pressure composite decking, providing a rust-resistant, skid-free surface that can hold two 1,000-gallon tanks side by side. Storage is a key part of the TX1. It includes multiple LED-lit compartments to keep tools and equipment organized. There is a 60-inch by 54-inch by 12.5-inch double-door compartment with adjustable shelves and a stainless steel fitting station, plus a 70-inch by 30-inch by 12.5-inch triple-door compartment that can be customized for different storage needs. 2 block carrier compartments are included for transporting blocks of various sizes, along with additional aluminum storage boxes for wheel chocks and other essentials. Safety is also a major focus. The TX1 is equipped with an E-Track tie-down system, 9 5,000-pound D-ring tie-downs, and a Tmat 2,000-pound fold under liftgate. A staircase on the passenger side and a ladder on the driver's side provide easier access to the truck bed. Customization options allow operators to tailor the truck to their specific needs. Custom bumpers with company branding and backlighting can be added, along with extra tools like air compressors, vices, or pumps. Additional safety features, such as 360-degree backup cameras and racks for safety cones, are also available. There is even an option to convert gasoline-powered engines to run on propane, which could help cut fuel costs.